How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus along with its keyboard book cover. Surprisingly, we got it early, so I'm excited to finally get these two, combine them, and see what's going on with these two. So let's go unbox these. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it. I say we start with the less exciting one first, the book cover keyboard. Let's see how we can, how does this open up? Doesn't seem complicated. Well, I think you just have to pinch in through here. That seems easy enough. Oh, it even said right here, to start right here. No knife needed. I had mine ready to go here. So, easy enough packaging. Nice. Alright. So here we have it. Oh, mine comes with some free dust included right here. I'm just messing around. So it comes in two separate parts. What do we get here? We get a little, it's like a little manual included here. We'll just kind of file this to the side. We don't need that. We don't need that right now. And here we are. Wow. The keyboard cover. So this goes in the back side. You get your pen in here to keep it safe. That's primarily why I wanted it, to be honest, because I don't like the idea of the pen just being loose. So, and then a nice keyboard. This is just a bonus to me. The keyboard is a bonus. So, yeah, first impressions, it feels okay. Obviously I can't pretend like the tablet's right there, but just by feeling it, buttons aren't super loud and clicky. If you like clicky buttons, this is not going to be one for you, but it definitely feels like a laptop if I were to be using a laptop. So let's not waste any time and unbox the tab so that we can test it out for real. So here it is, the Tab S7 Plus. So real quick, I want to go over the specs that I got. I got the 128GB version, which comes with 6GB of RAM. So the reason I got it is because I wanted the cheapest one, and I also wanted to, trade it in later on in the life, and you don't get extra bonus for buying a higher end storage. I won't even focus. There we go. It's the side of the box, just in case you were curious what was around the box. So let's get into it. And also, many people, I would assume, would probably buy the cheaper version just because save money, but also it's only like $60 or $90 more for the double or two times more or 2 more gigabytes of RAM and then double the storage. So if you were smart if you got the higher end, but I was dumb and got the lower end, but that's okay. Let's see what's inside. So you're greeted with the tablet right away. Wow, this thing is very light, very light. Very thin. Look how thin that is. Probably won't focus on it, but let's see what we got next here. So right off the bat, we're greeted with the gorgeous S Pen. I've never used one before, so this is all new to me. You get an adaptive fast charger, 15 watts. What else do we get? Oh, Jesus. We get a USB. Jesus, I just dropped it. A USB Type-C cable. Nice. And then in here, looks like it's just, a SIM card injector or a micro SD card injector with some paperwork. So let's file all this to the side and take a look at the tablet. Alright, here she is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see, how do I... You would think it'd make it easy on you. Oh boy. There's a tab here. And this is to pull it up, I guess. But I guess right here is where you have to unstick it or something. That's what I'm thinking. Sorry, I'm struggling here to figure out how it is that this opens up. Yeah, definitely like that. Wow. Okay. Oh my lord. This thing is so light, guys. Like, look at me. I'm so happy. What's up? But This thing is light. Let's take a look at the back here. Wow, I'm so scared to drop it right now. I just got fingerprints all over the front, but look at that back. Camera, there we go. Focus on it. That is nice. Hold on, I want to use this to put it on my table. I don't want to scratch up the screen right away. So let's where's the S Pen? Here it is. So if I read it correctly, S Pen just goes right on there, perfect like that. Let's see, let's do a wobble shake. Wow, actually, surprisingly, it doesn't fall off right away. So if you don't get the keyboard protector right away or any kind of book cover protector, you know, it'll stay on for a little, pretty nicely. Yeah, I'm shaking it, giving it some force, and it's not coming off. So that's actually a good plus to know. It's good to know. Some of the videos I've seen have not shown that right away. And first impressions, that's pretty good to see that the stylus does not shake off. But let's not waste any time and see if this has any juice. So let's first take a look at what we got in this as far as design. A nice, I guess that's I don't even know what, I forget what this is as far as material, but this is going to be as real as it gets, guys. I don't know much about the material that's involved in this, but let's go ahead and turn it on because I really want to check it out. Let's see if we have some juice in here. Oh, here we go. Oh shoot, I just bumped my camera. We got some juice. Alright. And I'm going to go ahead and actually connect the keyboard or the cover to it so I can show you guys how it goes on. So here we got the cover. So I believe, alright, we're at the startup menu. So I believe this just hops on magnetically. Yep, there we go. Set up like magnets, perfect. So you can actually use it without having to worry about the keyboard actually physically being attached. And this just hops on through these connectors down here. So we got some pin connectors. If it focuses, there we go. And then the pin connectors on there. So it should just clip on, right? Oh yeah, perfect. It literally just snaps on. Like there's no tomorrow. Oh, it's sliding because of this. Boom. And just like that, you have yourself a mini laptop. Let me move the camera around so you can see that. Focus on there. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drop in my information and give you guys my first impressions of what I think. So, see you in just a few seconds. Alright, so we just set it up. And my first impressions of this thing is it's really cool. It's looking like a very promising device. Let's just see you chuckling to find where the power button was there. It's actually really tiny for how big this tablet is. I'm not gonna lie. Oh shoot. I need to set up my password or something. Look how tiny that is. It's like the size of my, not even the size of my pointer. It's like my pinky. I don't know why they make it so small. Why can't you make it bigger? And the volume rocker is just like, the volume rocker should be the size of the, I don't know if it'll, oh, I can't hide and not have it focus. But I feel like it should hide. They should have made the power button the volume rocker size, and then the volume rocker something way bigger. But whatever. But first impression is that it's looking really promising. And obviously I need to test do a lot of testing. But besides that, the screen being 120 hertz is really good. It's really promising because I've never used 120 hertz before. I own an S10 Plus. And this thing is not, it's 60 hertz. So I've never used 120 hertz. And now feeling this is just, I don't know if I can go back. I'm going to have to go upgrade to like a Note 20. It's like, I don't know, I can't afford that. But I think this is dope. Something I'm going to use this for is note taking. I'm using it for note taking, gaming. I'm going to use it for video watching, binging shows. So I'll let you guys know what I think of this wonderful AMOLED display and see if it's good for note taking as well. That's why I want the S Pen, and also why the keyboard is a nice plus, because I can not only just take notes but write out stuff, which is awesome. That's awesome. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I'm gonna start using it tomorrow. Something we should test out that I've seen. I really shouldn't have been watching this on Reddit, because now I feel like I have to test it for the green tint issue. Apparently there's a lot of displays that are having issues with the green tint. People are saying that it's software, and some are saying that it is purely the hardware. So I don't know, but people were saying that you go into dark mode and you lower the volume display down to like 10 or 0%, and you can see a green tint. I personally don't see it. Okay, maybe slightly. I don't know if you're here. Let me just take this off. Ever so slightly, you can see it. And people said use the YouTube settings, or the YouTube app, I mean. Let me go find YouTube real quick. Okay, so there's the, hold on, let me hide. That's the display. I see a little bit of green, just a little bit. And then let's try turning it up a little bit. Yeah, there definitely is a little bit of green tint, because when I go up more, you can see now that it's gray. So I don't know if this will be a like destroying feature. So let's go up. So right there, you can see it just slightly. Just don't focus on me, camera. Just ever so slightly, you can see it. Don't focus on me, and then you be the judge. I don't know if you can really tell through camera, but hopefully that was a good little scenario and example there. But you be the judge of whether or not they have the green tint issue. I think slightly it does, and I don't know if it's software or hardware issue. So hopefully it's a software issue, and they can just send out an update. In fact, we should probably check for an update. But yeah, besides that, I don't know. I don't see any issues right now with the tablet. And right now, I'm holding it with one hand, which is surprising. It's surprising. My hand is actually really big. You see, it's monstrous hand, so I can actually hold this with one hand and have no issue. So this actually seems like a really good size for my hands. But besides that, I have nothing else to say right now, because I don't know. I can't tell you. I can't lie and be like, oh, this is gonna be great, because I don't know yet. So stay tuned for more. I'm gonna be testing this sucker out for the next few days, and if the green tint issue, if it comes across like a video where I can see green tint, it bothers me or something, I'll let you guys know. I don't think I'm gonna end up trading this in for anything, because I don't see why I would. It doesn't bother me right now, and chances are I'm not gonna have the brightness down all the way, but we'll see what happens. Leave a comment down below if you think I did have a green tint issue, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. I can do any testing for you guys and see what you want to know. That way, I can make a review for a student. Is it good for a student? Because I'm gonna use this for note taking. So if you're a student and want to know if this is a good tablet for you, stay tuned for the next video. I'll give you guys an update, because I'm gonna be using Samsung Notes for the PDF things. So now I'm just rambling. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out. Yeah.